In the verdant forests of Madagascar, where the sun's golden rays danced through the canopy, lived a group of lemurs, known as the Eternal Guardians. These were no ordinary lemurs. They were the keepers of ancient wisdom, the protectors of the island's mysteries. One day, a young lemur named Luminar, curious and innocent, wandered far from his tribe. He stumbled upon a glowing orb, pulsating with an energy unlike anything he had ever seen. Intrigued, Luminar reached out and touched it. A surge of power coursed through him, and Luminar felt his mind expand, his senses sharpened, and his heart filled with a newfound strength. But with this power came a terrible burden, a hunger for more, a thirst for knowledge that could consume him. The elders of the tribe, sensing the change in Luminar, called a council. They saw the power within him, but also the danger. They spoke of the orb's origin, a relic from a time before memory, a time of darkness and destruction. Luminar, torn between his newfound power and the love for his tribe, was faced with a choice. He could continue to embrace the power, risking his own soul and the balance of the forest, or he could return the orb, sacrificing his newfound strength but preserving the peace. Luminar chose wisely. He relinquished the orb, and the power drained from him, leaving him weak and empty. But the forest returned to its balance, and the elders, grateful for his sacrifice, embraced him as one of their own. From that day forward, Luminar became a beacon of wisdom, a reminder to all the eternal guardians that power, unchecked, can be a curse. And though he missed the strength he had once possessed, he knew that his choice was the right one, for the good of the forest and the tribe he loved. The orb, returned to its rightful place, glowed dimly, a reminder of the power that once was, and the wisdom that endures. And Luminar, the once curious young lemur, became a guardian, a protector, and a keeper of a wisdom far deeper than any power.